Hi everyone, as you all have fully explored the BuyMyStuff app, let me tell you the most important feature that most users are missing out on: multiple currency options. Firstly, you all need to know what is multiple currency option and how it benefits the users. This world is diverse and people come from all walks of life, so that's why the app accommodates multiple currency option that eliminates the stress of manually converting the currencies into their default currency. Using this option, buyers can shop from their favorite international brands anywhere in the world, whereas the sellers can sell their products anywhere, regardless of their physical location. First, I will guide you on how buyers can set their default base currency. Go to the settings, click on Update Preferred Currency, and set your default local currency. Now, you will be able to shop for products even from the international market in your default currency. Finally comes the sellers that need to know how to set base currency and grow their business in the international market. First, turn on the seller mode in the settings. Then click on Update Preferred Currency, and you are good to go. In this way, setting up your base currency makes your business reach an international audience.